If you're looking for a quick, clear guide on how to handle employee terminations legally and smoothly, this is it. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps that protect your business, keep things professional, and avoid legal headaches. Plus, I've tested all the major tools that help make the process easier, and there's an exclusive free trial to my recommended one, just for viewers of this channel. Links in the description. First, let's make something clear. Terminations aren't just about letting someone go, they're about doing it the right way. The smoother and more legally sound you handle this, the better it is for your team morale, company reputation, and bottom line. Start by documenting everything. This isn't just about covering your bases, it's about building a clear timeline that shows performance issues or violations that justify termination. Emails, warnings, missed targets, everything counts. If it's not documented, it doesn't exist. Next, review your employee handbook and contracts. Are there clear policies for termination? Is there an at-will clause? Does this person have any protections under local or federal law? These details matter. It's one thing to terminate an employee, it's another to ensure they don't come back with a lawsuit. Before you even say a word to the employee, notify HR and legal, or at least consult with them. Even if you're a small business, get legal eyes on the situation. They can flag potential risks you might miss. Now, plan the termination meeting. Keep it short, respectful, and private. Always have a witness, usually someone from HR. Don't argue, don't justify, and don't drag it out. Be direct but compassionate. Something like, "We've reviewed your performance and decided to move in a different direction. Today will be your last day." Avoid emotionally charged language or vague reasoning. Stick to the facts. Make sure final pay is handled according to your state's laws. Some require same-day payment. If there's unused vacation time, bonuses, or commissions owed, include that. It's not just ethical, it's legally required in many places. Retrieve company property and revoke access to systems, email, and apps, ideally while the meeting is happening or immediately after. This prevents data loss, privacy breaches, or disgruntled actions. Then inform your team the right way. Be discreet, protect the former employee's privacy, and avoid gossip. Just a simple, "They've left the company and we wish them the best," is often enough. Afterward, reflect. Could the issue have been avoided with clearer communication or better onboarding? Learn from the situation so it doesn't repeat. Now, the tool I recommend for streamlining this entire process, from documentation to digital checklists to managing final payroll, is linked below. It's intuitive, legal compliant, and I got you an exclusive free trial for being a viewer of Dan Thorne's channel. I've tried all the top-rated platforms, and this one made the cut. The key takeaway? Handling employee terminations legally and smoothly isn't just a checklist. It's about protecting your business while treating people with respect. Done right, it reduces liability, boosts internal trust, and keeps your company culture strong. Quick recap: document everything, review contracts and policies, get legal guidance, plan a respectful brief meeting, handle final pay legally, lock accounts and retrieve assets, communicate with the team professionally, and always reflect and improve. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the same software I use and recommend to make this process smoother, more efficient, and legally sound. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.